very hot days, Miss Rabbit sells ice cream.
Mummy, Daddy, can George and I have an ice cream, please?
Oh, well, I suppose it is an especially hot day.
Hooray!
Please, can I have one as well?
Everyone likes ice cream.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for New Haven County, Fairfield County, and Norwalk County. We have detected a severe thunderstorm which is capable of producing a medium-sized tornado. If you live near these areas, take shelter immediately. Grab food, water, medical supplies, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered radio along with some spare batteries in case they die in your shelter. Stay tuned to the station for your local area for news and information about this severe storm. The emergency alert system has been activated.
Cream.